Hello friends, you're welcome to my complete Java course. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn difference between StringBuffer and StringBuilder class. So StringBuffer versus StringBuilder. StringBuffer is a synchronized, that is thread safe. It means two threads cannot call the methods of StringBuffer simultaneously. StringBuilder class is a non-synchronized, that is not thread safe. It means two threads can call the methods of string builder simultaneously. The second difference is string builder is less efficient than string builder. String builder is more efficient than string buffer. Now we check the performance test of string buffer and string builder. So for the performance testing, we have already done in the string. We have done the performance testing on the string and string buffer. Here we are doing the same thing. We create a two method. First we are creating, we are checking the time difference the between the adding of the objects by using the string buffer class or by using the string builder class. Here we start the current time miles, and here we are adding string buffer objects value, which is Java. We are adding Java with the t point 10,000 times, and we calculate the time, how much time it will take to adding t point value to the Java by using the string buffer. And in the same way, we add the Java with the t point in the string builder object and calculate the time difference. So if you run this program, you will get the output. String buffer take more time, but string builder take a very less time. Let's I show you on Eclipse IDE. So friends, we are checking the time performance of the string buffer and string builder class. So this is the program I have copied from the slide. So if we run this, you will check string buffer is taking more time than string builder. Again, if you will run, so string builder always take the less time than the string buffer class. So if there is any concatenation operator or any operation, so you should choose a string builder class if you want to non-thread safety. If you want to thread safety, then you should go for the string buffer class. Otherwise, string buffer class give the slow performance. So friends, thank you. Thank you for watching this video lecture, and I hope you enjoyed this video lecture. Watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Java.